The minimum amount of the forcecoin issued during the multi-mining period is called a microblock. The current microblock is currently sold for 50 DAI. The amount of each microblock decreases, so the price of the forcecoin constantly increases. When a participant activates the first tier, the microblock is issued and distributed to the partner network, according to the marketing plan. If a participant purchases the full package, which costs 100 DAI, another microblock is issued. The coins from it are credited to the participant's wallet, but they remain frozen until the end of the multi-mining period. Therefore, the full package includes both tier activation and coin set. Coin set is the number of the coins you can acquire according to your tier. Every subsequent tier and full package costs twice as much and contains twice as many blocks, both for distribution across the network and in the coin set. How does the price change according to the soft halving algorithm? The idea is simple.